Morning again. We're going to jump into phonics right now, okay? So we have some new consonants and a new vowel to work with today, this week. So if you're looking along Canvas or your paper copy of Week at a Glance, we're working with the letters R, F, S, the sound that the letter Z makes, and short I. So I'm going to go through these picture cards with you. Okay? The letter R says like raccoon, raccoon. And this WR at the bottom, sometimes phonics is tricky, and guess what? We have a silent letter in front of a consonant, but it still makes the same sound. So WRITE spells right. When we write a letter, you spell it WR, but it still sounds like what? Good. If you're a cowboy and you wear Wrangler jeans, Wrangler, WR says Okay, I know that's confusing, but sometimes phonics is confusing. Now this is really going to confuse you. The consonant F says what? Francie Fish says Good. Two F's also sound like you put an O in front of it, that would be the word off, off. And then PH put together, guess what sound that makes? Can you think of a word that starts with PH or ends with PH that sounds like, what is this? A phone. Guess how you spell phone? PHONE. Isn't that wackadoo? Huh. And then we've had this one before. S, seahorse. Zebra says z, z. And sometimes S on the end of words like bugs. Well, it's an S on the end, but it sounds like Z, z. And then two Z's together also make the Z sound. And then lastly, short I. I is our vowel that we're working with this week. Short I says what? I. Any inchworm says I. Okay? So there's your mini phonics lesson for the day. I hope you enjoyed these cards. I really wish you guys were here in school, right in front of me, sitting right in front of me in my chairs, so we could play with these and explore with these. But soon enough, we will be back in school, and I cannot wait for that day. See you guys soon. Bye.